Today, I'm going to compare Cloudflare Registrar and Namecheap so you can decide which one is better for registering and managing your domain. If you've been trying to choose the right registrar for your website, this video will make the decision a lot easier. And before we get into it, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Let's start with Cloudflare Registrar. Cloudflare Registrar is built mainly for domain registration and domain management, but it stands out because Cloudflare sells domains at cost. That means there's no traditional registrar markup added on top, which can make it a very attractive option if you want to keep your domain costs low. On top of that, you also get access to Cloudflare's powerful DNS, security, and performance tools. This is especially useful if you already use Cloudflare for your website because everything can live in one place. Your domain, the DNS, security settings, and performance features can all be managed through the same dashboard. That makes setup and maintenance feel a lot simpler, especially if you like keeping your workflow clean and centralized. But there is one important limitation to keep in mind. Cloudflare Registrar requires you to use Cloudflare's name servers. So if you want complete freedom to use a different DNS provider, Cloudflare may not be the best fit. In other words, it's excellent for people who want simplicity and integration, but not ideal for users who want maximum flexibility. Now let's move on to Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the most popular domain registrars, and it offers a broader range of services. With Namecheap, you can register your domain, manage DNS, buy domain privacy on eligible domains, and even get hosting, SSL certificates, and email services all in one place. One of Namecheap's biggest strengths is flexibility. You can register a domain with Namecheap and point it to almost any hosting provider or DNS service you want. That makes it a strong choice if you want more control over where your website is hosted and how your DNS is configured. If you like having options, Namecheap gives you a lot of room to customize your setup. Namecheap is also a good all-around option for beginners and small business owners who want a straightforward registrar with extra services available when needed. So if you are building a website and want domain management plus the freedom to choose your own hosting or DNS setup, Namecheap is very appealing. So which one should you choose? Choose Cloudflare Registrar if your main goal is at-cost domain pricing and you are already using Cloudflare's DNS and security services. It is a strong choice for users who want simplicity, performance, and a tightly integrated setup. Choose Namecheap if you want a flexible domain registrar with more options for hosting, DNS management, email, and other website services. It is better suited for people who want more control and a wider range of features. In simple terms, Cloudflare Registrar is great for Cloudflare users, while Namecheap is better for users who want flexibility. If you're still deciding, here's the easiest way to think about it. If you want the lowest friction setup and you already trust Cloudflare's ecosystem, Cloudflare Registrar makes a lot of sense. If you want a more traditional registrar with broader compatibility and more service choices, Namecheap is the better pick. That's the comparison between Cloudflare Registrar and Namecheap. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments which one you're choosing, and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and thanks for watching.